What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we got a kind of laid back day. I got Meech out. We're about to go pick the kids up from school, man. We're gonna get in school line. Today is wifey's birthday, which y'all saw the video today. Y'all looking at this on Saturday, so technically by y'all watching it, her birthday was yesterday, but I'm shooting it on her birthday, so birthday today. So we riding together, man. We're gonna pick the kids up from school. They're gonna be a nice surprise, man. They've been wanting to ride in Meech. They ain't got a chance to ride in it yet, so we're gonna pick them up, man. It's a pleasant day. It ain't too hot, man. You can sit in the line, chill with the windows down and stuff. So I'm finna vacuum this thing out right quick, cause I ain't backing it out no way. So I'm finna vacuum it out right quick, and then we're gonna get some gas, obviously. And then we're gonna go pick them up, scoop them up, man. Do some real daily driver stuff. See what else we get into today, man, because like I said, it's wife's birthday. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So y'all see, picked up Teeny. We got LU6. If y'all know her birthday the other day. Picked up Teeny. About to pick up Sale. Y'all see, we let this thing run, man. We running super cool. What temperature we running at? 170, sitting in traffic. Good. But I got a strong on this steering wheel, man. I'll turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright, y'all, you see it? Just pulling back up at the house. Got Shell and Teeny. Picked them up from school, count. Wifey had met me at the store. She bringing the car back. Look at them. How cool we running now. We done sat in school line, cause them line be long, boy. The gracious, them line be long, man. We done sat in school line, man. We done did some real daily drive stuff. So, about to put this thing up. Alright, y'all. Back. We back, man. We back. Good drive. Real good drive. They're probably the beside the highway, I mean, as far as letting their car run, they're probably the longest I done let their car run, like stationary car. We had sat in line for a minute. The school line ridiculous, man. Those school lines is absolutely ridiculous. Like, they're probably the longest, like, I done had to sit. It was basically like sitting in traffic, man. Then, you know, you don't want to cut the car off, cause it'll inch up a little bit. So you have to keep cutting it on and off, on and off, on and off. So we just let it run, man. But when you don't cut no corners and you do everything right, you can do it. But this car got a hell of a cooling system on it. I say that it'll be overkill for a more toned down motor. It'll be overkill. Cause you want a little bit of heat in your engine, but this thing here got a real deal cooling system on it, man. It got a hell of a cooling system on it, and it worked. It worked very good. So, you know. We back, so we finna head to Summit, and we headed to wifey new favorite spot. JR Crickets, man. We all know. I love wings. Hey, I put her on JR Cricket though.
Yeah, you did.
No wings touching JR Crickets. I know people in other areas gonna say, well, this local, hey. Until you come down here to Georgia.
It's different from any other. And I love wings, tell them, like, I really
Yeah, she take all type of hot wings. Yeah. Until you come to Georgia. Not Georgia. Georgia. So you come to Georgia and take them JR Cricket, then we'll have to Hey, man, cause we done take wing, like, we done been to Chi-Town and all that, but, hey, man, JR Cricket is different.
Good.
Like she said, it like they cook the sauce on the wings. I can't explain it, man. I can't explain it. But we finna go have a little party for her birthday. Shayla, what I just picked you up in? So the internet cappers. Big Meech, you heard said, the internet cappers. They be like, he didn't do it. He did some editing.
That school people were like, there's Andrew and his brother were like, oh, who's that green car?
He said that Big Meech, huh? Pete said she heard it rumbling. It was shaking. What you said? It was shaking the windows?
No, it was like, and you could hear it from the inside.
From the inside?
Yeah.
You already knew it was me, then?
Yeah.
You knew?
I saw it before I heard it.
Oh, you did? Oh, she had saw it. She looked through the window.
Man. So I looked through the window, so then I know Mom, if that's Mommy or not, because I'd be ready to go.
Now, you know that when Mommy and Meech, though. Not driving it. But she gonna pick it up in hers, probably come 2 weeks. Hers gonna have another. Hey, old Emma gonna have a different engine, man. That thing look good, too. It look good, man. It look good, but, yeah, this thing here is ready. Thing here ready, man. But I'm gonna go to Summit car. I gotta grab a part for Grandma Nana. So, I'm gonna stop by there. I wasn't planning on going today, but we're going up there, the JR Crickets for wife's birthday. Then I'm like, hey, it's down the street, so I might as well grab the carburetor while I'm up there. And then I'm gonna throw that on, and it's gonna be better. It's gonna run better, but it's gonna make it faster too. It's gonna make it faster. So, yeah, that's the plan. We finna cover this up. They want me to pick them up in Dolo Neck, man. I gotta get them seats situated, cause they never rode in the car for real, man. Cause the seat, I got to lift the front up, get Jess and them to lift the front up, cause you put weight in it. They car here just set low all the way around and go, just to go. So I gotta get them to set that up. Or lift it up. Then I'm gonna get the coilovers in for this one and lift it up. Then I pick them up again. We'll be on 24. So yeah, but we're finna cover this up, man. I'm gonna turn y'all on in a minute. Y'all stay. All right, y'all. Second spot. Y'all know we did some daily driver activities, but boom, y'all know that building. Y'all know that building. We're at Summit, man. I'm finna go ahead and get some for Grandma Nana. Grandma Nana. Grandma Nana?
Yeah.
Look at them. They be asleep. Oh, glory. Why are you looking like that? They gonna screenshot your face. They gonna make a meme. They gonna make a meme of her. Look at her. Look at her. He trying to hold a straight face. Yeah, look at her, boy. Grandma Nana. Mama. That's what the amigos say, y'all. That's what the amigos say. Yeah, man. We finna go in here. The Summit Racing, man. Go in here. I already got the order made, so we just gonna go to the counter and then pick it up. You understand, nigga? You wanna get out? Yeah, told you she had them headphones on. Y'all get out over there. So yeah, go in here, man. See what's to it. Then we're gonna go JR Cricket. I gotta show y'all these wings, man. I'm telling y'all, man, ain't nothing top of these wings, man. I'm telling you, man. They the best. They the best, absolutely. So, yeah, what's going on, man. See what's on turntable. Turn y'all back on in a minute. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. Check it in. Live from the kitchen. So, look at this, y'all. Wife and I ate all of them, boy. All of them. Nah, I'm just playing. She just put them up, man. Look at them, boy. Them JR Cricket. They don't lemon pepper, but she done put the mild up, man. When you see that guy right there look like Jimmy the Cricket, hey, man, that's it. That's it. But look, this what I got. This right here. Hold on. I got this for Grandma Nana. I got this for Grandma Nana. Let's see. Man, we just getting back, man. Night on the town. Then look, the kids were going in, boy. I said, we was up there, you know, I'm trying to tell wifey, like, hey, she ain't download Rona Isley new album, man. You know, I love the Isley brother, y'all. I like old school. I'm a young man, but I like old school too. I like rap too, of course. I'm a music connoisseur. But I let her listen to Rona Isley. We listen to the song, man, the kids just going in. They trying to rap. I said, They basically just being a nuisance on purpose. So I told her, I said, hey, imagine they ain't back there. We in the city. We just ride. We just ride. Let's imagine they ain't back there. Listen to them good slow jam. But I got that trick flow, throttle bracket, throttle cable, my spring. Oh, they in there. You know, I got that. It's a good one. Make it look better. Pick that up. And then this, wife, you want to open it? You got a knife. I let her open it, Kyle. I be catching it, man. So y'all can see what this is right here. Or just hit them sides and stuff. Real strong arm. I told y'all she in the middle of straightening the kitchen up right now and all that. You know, you got a big butcher knife.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Alright. My box open. Yep. Check me out. Check me out. And I'm gonna tell y'all, hold on, let me get it out first. Oh, snap. It's over here high, boy. Let me, y'all see it though. Yeah. They come over here. Table. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, that brawler. Now, why it got a Holly thing on it, I don't know. But the man, what the, hold on, wait a minute. I promised the one I got to have no tote towel. I'm gonna have to go back and check this, but it got a tote towel. It's the brawler. I'm gonna have to go back and look at it. But anyway, I could be wrong. Nah, I definitely get that. Hey man, I gotta take this back. That crazy. I gotta take this back. I gotta take my cart, y'all. Let me take my cart right quick. My summer cart, man, cause I swear this ain't it. This ain't the one I ain't mean to get them. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright, y'all. So y'all can see, it's the next day. I forgot to close the video out. So basically what y'all seen, let's see what she wants to see. So basically what y'all saw was it was a brawler carburetor, which I like the brawlers, man, but I just didn't want an electric tote. I didn't want no electric tote carburetor. So man, I'm gonna take the brawler back actually today. Like I said, Nick, I'm finna take it back. Then I'm going to end up getting a Holly Street XP because the I was gonna get a quick fuel, but the one I want, man, they ain't got right now. And I need one ASAP Rocky cause I want to drive Grandma Nana, and this one it's gonna actually help the car pick up. It's gonna help the car pick up, man. I have done quite a few things to that car already that people don't know, and it has increased the performance. So I've been kind of going back and forth about documenting that car, man, cause that's gonna be like you got your shop truck, like they say, it's my shop truck. You know, they're gonna be they're my shop car, man. Like they're my car, just daily drive. It got a little speed. It ain't the fastest, but it's just more for enjoyment than going on the track and all that, man. I don't even plan on doing nothing, putting it on the track. It's just a street driver. Spend some time, man, to have some fun. You know, I might play around with some of my people or whatever, but like that ain't one of them. But I done stuff to increase the performance already and better it, and I have knocked the time down dramatically that car run. So I might show it. I know it's gonna pick up some more, they carburetor. But that's what I'm about to do, man. I'm about to head and go do that. Like I said, today, this is the next day. I just thought about I ain't close y'all out because I was editing this vlog. I said, man, I ain't close it out. So that's what we got going on, man. So it was a good day. Like I said, wife had a good birthday. The kids enjoyed riding Meech and all of that. I enjoyed driving Meech, and that just gave me a different vibe, man. There was a different feeling. Like when me and wife were riding in the car headed to the school, I was like, man, listen to Jesus. We listen to new Jesus. I said, they back like the old days. Because that's what we used to do. We used to just go everywhere in Meech, cause I told y'all that was I was daily driving it. I was daily driving that car, man, lit seriously. And we would go everywhere. Like when I had 355, I rate people on the highway, this and that. We just everywhere in that car. Had the beat, listen to G's and stuff, T.I., whatever, you know, cause that stuff that was they came out when we was in school and stuff. So, you know, it was like old time then having my kids. Like we was in the school line having my kids, man, back there in the back, riding as a family and Meech. That was just it for me, man. This vlog was a highlight for me. It probably ain't exciting for a lot of people, but it was a highlight for me going down the memory book stuff too. So that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.